Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Aquarius sa August 20, 2024 at 2:25 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so this reading ay maaring mas makaresonate sa mga Sagittarius rising, although pwede pa rin naman ito mag-resonate sa mga Sagittarius sun and moon. Okay, so for you, Sag, itong full moon in Aquarius is going to happen in your third house of communication, short distance travel, learning. Ang full moon is about endings, culmination, release, letting go of the things that are no longer serving your highest good. So for you, Sag, I think meron kang mga, can be connections that you feel na pwedeng hindi to masyadong mga close friends, na parang you feel like mas gusto mong limitahan yung circle of friends mo, na gusto mo na mas totoo sa'yo. Someone na talagang bina-value yung friendship, yung connection mo. Someone na may natututunan ka, may, kumbaga, may silbi sa buhay mo. But if there are some people na alam mong nagte-take advantage lang sa'yo or things na parang gusto lang nila, nagsistay sila sa connection sa'yo because of yung mga benefits na nakukuha nila sa'yo, and you know that, nararamdaman mo yon, you might be cutting off connections from with these people. So may nagbabago sa'yo ngayon. You are changing, you are transforming. At mas nagiging malakas yung instinct mo pagdating sa intentions ng mga tao sa'yo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong alitan, no? Sa mga kapatid, ayan. So, maaring meron kayong patatawarin na sibling or kamag-anak, extended family na nagkaroon kayo ng issues before, no? Na you feel like parang it's time to let go of that para naman mas ma-enjoy mo yung buhay. At hindi, kumbaga parang you are creating more spaces, kaya you are letting go of those emotions na sa tingin mo ay hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. Let's say for example, meron kang sama ng loob sa kapatid mo at matagal kayo hindi na nag-uusap. So for you, maaring hindi mo man siya i-approach, no? Although yung iba, pwedeng kayo magre-reach out. Hindi mo man siya i-approach or hindi ka man magre-reach out, but at least you are finally releasing that negative emotion towards your sibling, sa kapatid mo. At kung magre-reach out siya sa'yo, then that's your sign para ayusin or i-work out yung relationship mo sa kanya. Okay? You also have a challenging situation here with ninth house, which is yung exploration. Maaring meron ka mga gusto pang i-explore sa buhay mo, lalo na learning, no? Meron kang gustong mga pag-aralan. Kaya lang pwedeng may limitation sa ngayon. You feel like parang kulang pa yung resources mo na, let's say, gusto mong ipagpatuloy ang iyong doctorate's degree, master's degree, you want to learn a new skill. Pero at this point, hindi pa sapat yung resources mo, like the money that you need para bumili ng courses na yon or magbayad for the tuition fee, things like that. But eventually, no, magagawan mo yan ng paraan. You have a positive aspect with Chiron, which is in your fifth house. Fifth house is your creativity, your talents, your skill set. So maaring yung iba, pwedeng makakuha kayo ng scholarship or a free invitation para mas ma-develop mo pa yung skill set mo. Let's say, for example, magaling ka mag-drawing, no? And then, let's say, gusto mong bumili ng gadget na kung saan lalong makakatulong sa'yo in improving your skills in drawing or mga tools. Pero wala ka pang enough na funds para matustusan yon or mabili yon. And then, you will meet someone or there is someone na maniniwala sa kakayanan mo at pwedeng mag-sponsor sa'yo na, sige, ako na, bibilihan kita, things like that, 'di ba? Para ma-explore mo pa yung talents mo. Kasi nangyayari naman talaga yan, no? Na may taong mga nagsusponsor at tumutulong dahil alam nila na merong potensyal yung tao na yon na ma-develop pa yung kanyang kakayanan, yung abilities niya. Okay? You also have a challenging situation with your sixth house. So, maaring meron kang mga health concerns na kailangan mong asikasuhin, Sagittarius, especially kung ito yung mga bagay na isinantabi mo, hindi mo pinapansin, na baka bigla na lang na, ayan, mag-manifest sa sarili mo na marirealize mo na, ay sayang, sana pala inasikaso ko. 'Di ba? Oo. So, if you have issues with your health, whether this is physical, mental, emotional health, you really have to pay attention to that, no? Kung kailangan mo ng appointment sa doctor or someone will have to check on you, do it. Okay? Kesa naman magpapa-check up ka kung kailan meron na talagang very serious condition or situation sa kalusugan mo. I also see here na pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation sa mga katrabaho, okay? Lalo na kung merong nangyayaring sapawan or parang, alam mo yun, di ba sa work, meron dyang, yung iba merong secretly competitive sa'yo, na parang nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo dahil gusto niyang malagpasan ka or mas maging umangat sa'yo. So, you have to pay attention rin sa mga kinikilos ng mga yan kasi pwedeng akala mo tinutulungan ka pero actually ikakapahamak mo pala. Okay? So, be careful with that. Let's see what else. Ano pa for Sagittarius? You have the Queen of Cups. Okay? Cups energy, this is related to your instinct, your intuition, your feelings. So, maaring mas lalong magiging on point yung iyong sensitivity, no? Parang yung iyong instinct. It's much easier for you, mas madali para sa'yo ngayon na makapag-decide, makaramdam, if something is off, okay? Lalo na sa workplace, kung meron dyan na nararamdaman ka na hindi maganda yung intention ng katrabaho mo sa'yo or parang hindi ka nila gusto, you will, at least alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. You have the Hanged Man. So, this is about pause, pagpigil. Okay? And some of you meron ditong pagbabago ng inyong pananaw sa buhay, may mga realizations kayo about life. Maaring you feel bored sometimes na gusto mong ng action, gusto mo ng excitement sa buhay. And you also have the World. Merong accomplishment dito. So for some of you, Sagittarius, you will be accomplishing something related sa iyong talento, sa abilities mo, sa skill set mo. Maaring, lalo na sa work, no? Siguro, merong magbibigay sa'yo ng certain attention sa trabaho dahil sa galing mo or sa kakayanan mo. But, syempre, pag ganyan, pag meron kang mga admirers, meron ding mga envious or jealous of your achievement. So, pay attention na rin to them. I mean, paying attention to them, kumbaga medyo maging, yung cautious, maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Keep your heart open. First quarter moon in Libra. And of course, this is open in reconciliation, pagpapatawad, no, forgiveness, especially kung yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng challenging situation with your extended family, siblings, kapatid nyo, no? And then, be proud of yourself. Yes, Sagittarius. Be proud of your achievements. Kasi meron ka rito isi-celebrate na major achievement mo na parang, ang feeling nun is parang ka nakagraduate. Kasi lahat ng mga paghihirap mo na-recognize. Okay? Yung mga efforts mo, mare-recognize. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!